Hey guys, welcome back to actually continuing video. This is the review of the this is the review of HAKUHO memory stick Pro Duo compatible micro SD adapter. So it's a micro SD to memory stick converter. So last video I did an unboxing of it. I had to go for some work, so I had to leave. So yeah, my this is my laptop. The wallpaper currently is at cars, scene from cars. But yeah, so today I went through the memory stick, the micro SD card, and I deleted everything. I formatted it. So I'll just show you. This is the drive. 59.4 GB or 59.4 GB. So I'll format it in front of you. I'll format it 3 times. So now I'll just inject it. Just format this document. There you go. Remove. Just shut it down. Sorry, but this is blazing hot. So this is some adapter I got. I'll just show you one sec. So this is a 3-in-1 Type C plus USB plus micro SD. So there's SD, there's micro SD, there's USB, there's OTG, aka USB Type C. There's also file management, which you can't do, but it's made by some company. I don't know. We got it off of Amazon like a long time ago. Now we will test it out on the camera. Let's see this thing out. So I've taken out the old card. I've put the micro SD card in here, as you can see. As you can see, I put it inside. Now I'll put it inside here. There we go. Immediately I turned it on. There's this error, which is not a good sign. Let's just see. I'll just format it. So format it as a good thing. I'm going to do it 5 times because it wasn't good. So now I think it's in the format of the camera first to shoot on. Last time. Now let's see if it tells me anything. Oh my god, look at this! Look at this! I can store more than 9,999 pictures on this thing. This is so funny, bro. Let's see what it says in the menu of the camera. This is actually a good product. Let's just see. Image. Look at this. This is so funny. I just glitched the camera out with this thing. Approximate image capacity more. That is the greatest sign. If you don't know your maths, what the hell? That's the greatest sign. So it's greater than 9,999. So I can store more than 9,999 pictures on here. Freaking 48 hours, 42 minutes and 29 seconds of video time. And you know what? Since I'll shoot high quality movie and I still have 13 hours left. HAKUHO, you did good. So I recorded a video, like a 5-second video, and I also took a picture. So now I'll connect this to the computer using the supplied AV cable which came with the camera. So there we go. It's connected. Now I'll turn it on. Okay, here's remote connecting. Okay, detects that it's connected. Memory stick. Oh my god. Whoa. It thinks I'm connected to the micro. It thinks that I'm connected to the memory stick, but it's actually a freaking micro SD card, bro. Yo, this is the video. That's the video from the camera. It's connected to the camera, as you can see right now. This is the picture. These are the two pictures that I took. This is the video. So overall, this is a 10 on 10 product by HAKUHO. It is compatible with my camera and it works amazingly. I absolutely love it. Love it. Two children are fighting outside. Nah, bro's got him in a... Hell nah. Anyways, so this is a good product. I recommend it. I recommend you buy it. But sorry. But the thing is, but guys, I recommend that you buy it. I don't know if it will exactly work on your camera. I don't know if it will work on your camera. I have the Sony CyberShot DSC W150. It works for me, but the thing is, it's very flimsy. So if you don't have the supply, if you want to take out your pictures and videos, your photos and everything, you use it using the supplied, AV adapter which connects in here to this phone. But I don't recommend you taking it out, you taking the memory stick card out and taking it out and putting it back in, and as they say that it's very flimsy and it will break it. So don't keep on taking it out, plugging it into your computer and then putting it back in. So it's very flimsy and it can easily break. So, but the thing is, if it breaks, then most probably everything is stored in a micro SD card, right? So you will only get damage of 200 rupees, which is quite a lot actually to me. But you will get damage of 200 rupees, but at least your pictures and videos won't be rotting away. But if you drop it, then maybe if it will go away. But in the normal memory sticks, oh my god, in the normal memory sticks like these, if you drop it on the ground, then if it hits the yellow parts, then it may break. I had a 4 GB card. Is a 2 GB card. I don't use that one because it broke. I threw it in the park. I actually took it out of the camera. It slipped from my hands, fell on an uneven rocky surface, and it just didn't work. It didn't work at all with this thing, with this computer, but yeah. So I do recommend that you buy it. So yeah, that concludes the video. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like and subscribe, and see you guys later. Bye. And you may be asking, that sounds like Plain Rock 124's outro. Well, it is. I watched him a lot. It's kind of inspired. If he comments on this video and says do not use my outro, I will not use your outro. So I will not use your outro if you comment on this video. Plain Rock 124, King Liang. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. I do this, otherwise it's like this. Bye.